I was shooting a video and I dropped the phone. So sorry about that. So here we go. And I've lost track after a while. It's the 18th, I think. Well, it's 2021. I know that much. It's the end of March. Getting close to spring, which is on the 21st. So, saying there's a little construction going on over here. So we moved our containers kind of this way. We picked these up at a big box store for a little over $4 each, which is really cool. And this we got for $1. Almost all of our dark containers cost us $1. We go to the flea markets and get them. But I like the round, colorful ones. But a whole bunch at once for $1 is, that's about a $9 investment. But we like them. I like the handles. I like the way they look. But so we got a whole bunch of greens there, collards and turnips and such. And we'll talk about that. And we're also going to talk about some soil today. And back here we got the blood meal and the chicken compost. And we're going to also be putting up hardware cloth in the next couple days. So we're going to go with bamboo. The deer here don't seem very big. Bamboo and hardware cloth. And we got some more soil that we're going to talk about with you. That's our container with the extra soil, which we're going to be using on small pots and eventually keep covering our potato plants that are growing over there. And got my little tool thing happening. We pretty much are done with the plastic containers and the nursery containers, which we had nestled in these and this, and now they're all pretty much getting ready to put in the ground. A few the other day we put in the ground. A lot of these other ones are actually from seed, which I'm excited about. So we got a good variety going on here. And over here is the potato, which we start shallow, way down there. And we're excited I see a sprout finally. And we build up, because potatoes grow up with a container, and then you can build a mound or hill, whatever, to continue until the plant withers. And the last of some of our nursery guys, and I see melons, I see watermelon, cantaloupe, possibly a cucumber in there. And then we've got some, I think that's arugula. We also have lavender. These are morning glories. And this is a local grocery store, which always has good herbs. Thyme and basil. They're going to get a haircut before they go on the ground, but they weathered overnight. And before I put them in the ground, I'm going to give them a haircut so they have less energy trying to be transplanted, going to all those extra leaves they don't need. I want them to become more bushy and not really scraggly. So we're going to be putting these guys in the ground today. And these are the tomatoes. And these are lettuces and edible greens and herbs. Got basil and nasturtium radishes. And there's some lettuce seed planted. And then these are peas and beans. Some sunflowers will be coming up, which the pole beans and the peas will kind of trellis and grow up. So that should be really fun to watch for later. We're going to be adding some more cedar chips to these guys. It's really important because it retains moisture. It also keeps pests from growing. It helps seedlings come up and again not get devoured. Also, the deer and some of the other animals. I like cedar chips the best because it keeps a lot of the other creatures away. And you go and you get food grade, or you get it at the feed store. Don't buy it at the hardware store. Make sure it's for animals, for bedding, etc. And so that's what we're doing. And later on, some potting. And also, I got over there, we're going to talk about a book that I really swear by. It's sort of like my gardening Bible. So, everybody have a great day. This is Morning Glory. Blue potato. Bye.